Dancers.
My name is Odega. Together, under this program, here in Ghana, National Theatre, we are gathered, waiting for Odega. We forget our idea. From the people has been gone under. For who have his number? I can't remember. Oh, he went to Delta. Now Delta. Hey, what's that brother? Hey, am I here? God bless you guys. What's up, guys? How you doing? So,
Fellas, sing this song for the
Calimos, Prince David, can you join us? Our country, can you join us? Put your hands together for them.
Akobato is in the house.
Legendary Akobato in the house, man. Oh, Papa Hannah, got you. Deacon Guru, Stage A, please join us real quick.
Let me pause it.
That's right. This is amazing. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. In Ghana, I present to you the amazing, amazing cast that featured in the biggest movie statement in Africa right now. And the Bacho, Yentimi Ko Abra, to the man of the moment, and Wasem. So once again, a round of applause for the man of the moment, Bacho Kasa Lewe!
Hello. Good morning, good evening. Good night. Another day, many aunties. You could push that at the four, a train shame. Just say, I didn't sample. I won't say Ghana. So we have the power. The pardon a support. The money, a summoning, a kuma. The Macanian Sina coupon show me na on to Moquanem. They say, Yakan and the doors. A coupon share as a family Believers Worship Center. It's the 8th generation prophet, 7 Adam Chibia. I'm saying, now on to Mukomen. Mama Muginichi. Now, Oda, who don't movie this way. Don't cost any stars in the journey. Legends, Akobato, Calimos, Prince David, Agopatisha, everybody just said, and the Beniaji. Now, good for showing. I love you guys. You can do. And crazy. Lewu Mapa, let me show you now. Thank you. Let's have a seat for us. Thank you.
Texas, please come over, my brother. The Patrol special acknowledgement going out to Midima for her. Thank you so much. Please, can I have our sponsors rolling real quick? Let me acknowledge them. Patrol sponsors, can I have them rolling real quick? The Patrol. Alright, special eyes, Namisha, Mr. Roger Kote, I saw the man around. Mr. Roger, are you here? Are you still here with us? Nana Romeo of Accra FM, I saw you here. He's gone, right? Okay, so the media fraternity, thank you. Akem Furniture, thank you very much. Samsung, yes, of course, our headline sponsor, Medima for Herba. Yamisha will be Kojo Shoes, God bless you. God bless you. High Table, and I do event, the Pacho, my organizer, I do event for Pacho, give me a wave, I do events. Oh, Mama I do event for. Amazing. Thank you very much, Jaga, for Peters. God bless you. Yamisha Mopi, the Pacho, it doesn't end here. Keep the conversation going. Yeah, go back to Kumasi. Yeah, nationwide tour. We all are ambassadors to propagate and project what we have experienced here. The hashtag is a country called Ghana. And congratulations to Konyoka Salary, the Wizzy Empire, for making this big statement. Thank you very much, Ghana. Thank you, everybody. God bless you all. Yes.
DJ, catch up.